Fish?
Yep. Fish on.
All right. Easy, easy. Don't. It's a bluefish. Nice. Where's my net at? Just remember, work your pole up. Pull it up slowly, and then you reel down. Slowly, let it fight. There you go. Then lift slowly. Let it. Oh, does that bring it? Keep it in the water. Don't pull it out of the water. There you go. Nice, dog. Nice bluefish, man.
Yeah, nice.
Decent sized bluefish. Give me some slack in your open your bell up a little bit. I can close it. Nicely done, Abraham.
Thank you, good sir. Nice.
Yeah, you foul hooked it somehow. This out. Way you can. Nice fish though. Alright, there's your line. You can put it on the eyelid if you want to. Down below if you want to take a picture with it.
For sure.
Alright, get my pliers, that way you can hold it easier.
Can you eat bluefish?
Huh?
Can you eat bluefish?
I mean, you can, but I prefer not. I don't. I mean, people do all day long. Yeah, hold like that. Then you can hold it by its tail.
Huh?
Hold it by its tail.
Like that?
Yeah, but hold it so it's like, you know what I mean? Like, so it's, yeah, like, you have your hand awkward. Like, picture your hand so that you can hold it out like this. That makes sense? One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Alright, you can release it in the water, like slowly. Come down this side so you're not so far up, no wagging. Just open up the pliers.
Oh shit.
It's fine, dude, it's gone. That's why you don't see it no more. Nice.
Nice.
Alright, bro. First one on.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go.
Let's see if you can catch yourself. You can keep just put them like in a cup holder, or put them on the. You see that front pouch that's open? You can put them in there, maybe. Yeah, if you want. Nice, Abe.
Did you send that to me?
Did I send it to you?
Yeah.
No, not yet. Hey, do you see a timer going on this thing up top? Like it's running?
Yep, 13:58.
Alright, good. I mean, yeah, it's we rolling. Nicely done, man. Yeah, just, you know, whenever you're working it, like, see, again, you launched it like sideways, like just easy, like smooth. You like hesitant. You're hesitant with your cast. You'll figure it out, but just
over the top. Just
you don't have to be like over the top, but like if you're doing a side cast like that, just bring it up. You're bringing it your tip down already by time, so that's why it's like not going as far. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. That was awesome too, because I remember you talked to me last time about being patient. Before I was so amped up, as soon as I had like one little nip, but I'm trying to hook it. Like, hey, you don't need to hook it.
Yeah, it will come to you magically. Move this out of the way. I'm gonna put this fishing rod up top. Or not fishing rod, I'm gonna put this net up top. Now let me see if I can go live here. Be sure. Another fish?
Yeah.
Dag, bro! Can I live? I just put this thing. Hold on, remember work that thing. Okay, keep it low in the water. Remember, you don't want to bring it up. I don't even see it yet. I don't see it yet. Ooh, oh, stupid stingray. Alright, okay, bring it up slowly. Alright. Give me some slack in line.
Huh?
Give me some slack in your line. Yeah. Nice. My #1 enemy. I'm just trying to go live here, but I'm just here for your fishing pellet at this point. Skin is so tough. There we go. Yeah. I got it. There's your hook. Slide. Nice stuff. Make sure I don't get this bitch. I don't know if you see that barb on it. You see it like right there on the end. Like the end of its tail. There's a barb right there.
Oh yeah, ooh.
That's what people get. That's what people get caught lacking. Abraham with the double up. Double up buttercup. Why am I not streaming this? That's what I want to know. Put you up top. Just trying to fish, dog. Just trying to fish. Dag, man. You just... I'm just here for... I'm here to support you morally at this point. Jeez. Alright. Ooh! Fish on, dude. Big fish. Swimming to the boat. Whatever it is. Hey, where are we out in the net game, dog?
Coming.
I'm gonna bring him to you. Try to keep him in the water so I don't lose him. Give him first.
Oh, Tim.
Alright, that's not getting out because motherfuckers people try to trying to somebody rolling up on us.
Oh, just a big drum, man.
Yeah, that's a nice drum. Where's my pliers? Do me a favor. Up in the you can leave that, yeah. In the compartment there. Open up and get the stick to measure it.
Can you measure that?
Right here, where the yes, finally.
Hey,
first red.
Take that bill for right in time. For your measurement.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't, sir. Here, we're gonna bring it up. Well, I can give it back here. Let me just get this.
We can bring it up here. Let's go.
Alright. Let me get this out of the way. God, that's. Alright. Hey, buddy. Don't need to get feisty like that. Don't need to get feisty like that. You can put that net back up. Thank you, sir. Let me make sure, sir. It's definitely a keeper. 19 and a half.
Hold on, Phil.
What? Let me turn around the other way then. That way he's not looking, so he's not looking goofy. It's 19 and a half. It's a keeper. My hands, I can't do nothing with that.
Yeah.
No, it's not big. I got my camera rolling, so it's fine. Just take a picture of me like this here. Alright. Question is, should we keep it?
Can we eat it?
Yeah, I eat it. All day.
I feel like that's a yes then.
Alright, here, do me a favor. Open up that live. Of course, I didn't bring no ice.
Can you pour the ice out that I have in there?
Huh? I'm gonna do this here. Put it there. And I'll put some water in it. Nicely done, dude. I was like right here. Right here, dude. Right here.
You got you a spot now, the big
No, I'm saying, like,